Hello everybody and welcome to this channel. My name is Sirat Haidari and I'm going to give you 5 tips plus 1 bonus how you can grow your channel. I monetized my channel exactly in 1 month and 15 days, like 45 days. I try to be quick so that you learn the process and everything from the beginning to the end, how I've gone through. Anybody who is watching this video clip, of course you are starting a new channel, and I promise write you a channel and I'm going to subscribe to your channel, view a couple of your videos and watch them for some minutes. And I'm asking everyone else to let's help each other grow quickly and fast in 2020 as well as 2021. I'm going to explain my experience from day one, from 0 subscribers to almost 2,000 subscribers the day when my channel hit exactly 4,000 hours of watch time. That is why you need to watch this until the end. To exactly show you, let's go back to the first day when I created my account. You see it is 1st of September 2020, and the reason why I started this because I could have a very good track of my channel because I do also have other channels. And in this email you can see that on this date I got my first 100 subscribers. As you can see, I actually completed 4,000 hours of watch time and got over 1,000 subscribers by October 9th, 1 month and 9 days. But it took me another 6 days until October 15 to add the Google AdSense and get reviewed by the YouTube. As you can see, it took me only 45 days to get around 2,000 subscribers and also hit 4,000 hours of watch time. So how did I did it? Now, I request you to pay attention to these 5 tips that I'm giving you one by one. Tip number 1. There are 3 things to remember. A, B, C. A. In your niche, try to find something good, something unique. B. Of course, there might be other channels that they have the same thing. So I highly encourage you to fill the hole. Try to, search, do your research. And if you find other channels, try to find out the gap. What is the gap? And then your work is to fill the gap and make a channel better than them. C. Be the best. So if you are not the best, then there is no reason for the viewers to come to your channel to subscribe to you and watch your videos. So remember these 3 ABC for the first tip. Let me start to give you my own experience as a practical example so that you know how to start. I knew there were a lot of channels and people helping others to find scholarships and study abroad. What I found is none of these channels are giving a step-by-step guide how to fill the application, how to write all the papers, and until the day that you start your studies outside your country. So I came with this idea to have a channel to help others to find a scholarship, to apply to them, step-by-step guidance through the process until the day that they start their studies in that specific school. So first step number 1, first I found a niche. Second, I fill the hole or the gap because the other channels, they were not giving, complete tutorials. And C, I was trying to be the best. Maybe I am not, but I was trying to be the best. How I was trying to be the best was because I was an alumni of one of these scholarship programs. I am an alumni of Scheveningen Scholarship Program, and at the same time, I am a Fulbrighter, which means I have been in the Fulbright Scholarship as well, and I also applied for DAD Scholarship in Germany, and I got this scholarship, but I didn't go there. This means that I am the best at least in 3 of these scholarships that I can provide help. Tip number 2, you have to script your videos. The reason why you need to script your videos is to know what you're talking and speak to the point. By speaking to the point, the good thing, as you can see, you can attract the viewer's attention. And by attracting the viewers' attention, they are going to watch your videos until the end. That means you get retention. What is retention? Retention means that people click on your video, that's just a view, but you don't need views in order to complete 4,000 hours. You need watch hours. And the more your videos are scripted and are good, the more people or viewers are looking forward to watch your videos until the end. So this means if your viewers are watching your videos until the end, there is a very high chance that you are going to complete and hit the 4,000 watch hours quickly, the same way as I did it. Number 3, title, text, and description. These are very important. The way how you write your title is very important. And also you have to, experience writing different titles. For example, how to apply to this thing. That's what I did. And I was also using, as you can see, in some of my titles, I have been using capital letters in all my titles. And then in some of them, normal letters. This is how you have to try and experience different ways. So there are again 3 points for tip 3. A, not general, okay? Don't have your titles or your tags general, because if you have your tags general, then probably in search results, whether in Google or in YouTube, you are not going to land on the first few searches or even not on the first pages. B, be accurate. For example, my tags are how to apply to Chevening Scholarship Program. I could also use Chevening Scholarship, but if I would use Chevening Scholarship, there are thousands of videos with the Chevening Scholarship tag. For example, I was using the year like 2020 or 2021, and the reason is if people write how to apply to Chevening Scholarship in 2020 or 2021, my tags were working better than the other people. Tip number 4, thumbnails. Thumbnails are very important. Try to make them attractive. Try to use good colors, not very, very vivid colors. But as you can see, I've also been playing with different colors, and the reason is I'm experiencing different one of them, and I'm trying to see which one works. So for the tags, I also have A and B. Use images, and B, use a few words. As you can see, my thumbnails, they have both pictures and also words. Although a few of them that based on the topic and niche only require words, not complete sentences or no photo of myself or any other person. Tip number 5, ask your viewers to subscribe to your channel and hit the ring button next to the subscribe button. And the reason why you need to take that one is, and you also need to ask your viewers to do it, because they also get notification when you upload new videos. So I'm asking you now, please hit the subscribe button as well as the bell. Like this video and also comment it. Another thing that I want to promise to my viewers currently is anybody who is watching this video clip, of course you are starting a new channel, and I promise write you a channel and I'm going to subscribe to your channel, view a couple of your videos and watch them for some minutes. And I'm asking everyone else to let's help each other grow quickly and fast in 2020 as well as 2021. Let's subscribe to one another, build a community and help each other. I promise that I will subscribe to everyone who is commenting under this video, and I'm requesting others to subscribe to one another so that we help each other out. And that is what you need to do for your channel as well. And now this is the time for the bonus that I promised you in the beginning of the video. As you can see, my videos are very long, and the reason why my videos are 1 hour long is because I am providing step-by-step guide to apply for a program or a scholarship or whatever you call it. These 1 hour long videos helped me to get more retention, and this helped me to quickly hit 4,000 watch hours as well. So I'm telling you, if you are making only like 5 minutes videos and like less than 10 minutes video, probably it's going to take a very long time for you to build your channel. So for my channel, and based on my niche, maybe your niche does not require you, or it's very difficult to record 1 hour videos. So this is going to help you a lot to have longer videos like the one that I had for 1 hour, and people were watching it, and that helped me get 4,000 watch hours quickly just in 45 days. I wish you best of luck and success. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, write your comment and your channel link, and I will subscribe to your channel. Love you all to the moon and back, and see you in the next video.